Hello friends, let's understand how you can easily verify your US based or UK based TikTok account, and it's so easy. Just watch the video till the end. Open your TikTok account and click on TikTok Studio, and then here search for Service Plus. After clicking there, just look at the top right corner. You will see three dots. So just click on that, and when we click on that, you will see in the next page you will get an option of verification status, and it is showing that it is unverified. So how will we verify it? You just need an ID card of any nation. Like, it doesn't mean that if you have a UK account, so you need a UK ID. How to do it? Just click on there and just search for the country you are living in or you have an ID card. I'll search for Pakistan because I am a Pakistani resident. I'll click on that and then just click on the next option, and here you will check out that it's saying that upload your ID card and get your ID card ready. So I'll just first click on the terms and condition and then click on next, and here now it will open my mobile's camera, but you get two options, like first click an image and second upload an image. So I'll click on upload because I have a high, like the image is available in HD format in my gallery, so I'll select it from there and then click on continue. Now in the next option it will ask me for uploading the back side of the ID card. So I'll upload that and just wait for the uploading, and it will check that is everything visible, because they have trained so many models to check each and every detail in the ID card. So the image should be in HD format when you upload it. After this process, it will redirect us to a new page where it is saying checking your ID, and after the processing, now the next page you will see that your application is submitted, and it won't take more than 2 or 3 minutes. Like, after submitting your application, just close your app and open it again, and it should have been verified. So here you can see below the date of birth. It's written in 1970s, but till now it's not reviewed by the team. That's why it's showing like not the verified date. So after that, I have opened my account around after 2 minutes, and it is showing me the verification status is shifted to verified, and here after clicking it you can see in the below box now every detail is updated. So this was how you can do it. Now you can withdraw your amount or any type of process can be done after this. So thanks for watching.